time to do some sketching. Alright there, YouTubers. We got another episode on Scott Weeks truck. This episode, we are going to cover the raised fuel tank crossmember and the 3-link mount. This is going to be very similar to the infamous kit, but we're going to make sure all of this stays underneath the bed. So, sat down at the computer the other night, designed for about 2-3 hours, ran back and forth from that corner to here, back over there to back over here, back over there to back over here, and come up with this. So, with that note, or that being said, whatever you want to say, wishbone will get mounted here. The tabs will be there, and we're looking 28 inches from center to center on the axle, and then we're going to run underneath the axle to underneath the frame. But we got all of that tacked up, so need to get all that welded out. And yeah, we ended up adding that stiffener plate right there. Then we added those plates because the notch had the big holes for the other cross tubes that were in there. So we got all that patched up. Got a new cross member in right here. This is going to be our bag mount along with our shock mount. Then we got to fit 2 air tanks back here, 2 compressors, and all of our valves. So, let's get into it. Alright, it's another day, and hope y'all can hear me over these fans running. It's been like stupid hot here. But last night we got the rear cross member in. Jensen just knocked out the bag brackets. We're going to take those tubes out. We took 4-link mounts off last night. Started working on getting those out, and the compressor mounts were over there and then over here. So they're getting ready to come out. We got this rear cross member right there. Got it out, and we finished pulling out the fuel lines that were right there. We've got to take that cross member out because that don't look too good. Plus, we're putting in a wishbone, so we got to cut this cross member short, and then we're going to tie that cross member to a new cross member there, and then we're going to come off of that with another mount for the wishbone. And then the lower bars are going to mount underneath the frame rail. So yeah, we'll get back to it, and that thing works so well. It was definitely a worth the money investment to get it. The only downside I will say, if you're trying to cut some dirty material, it will burn the tips out quick. But other than that, I mean, for what? It was sub 300, what? It was close to 200, weren't it? 250, something like that. I can't remember the price. But for the price of it, it was cheap enough to well worth it. I mean, it's a lot cheaper than my Hypertherm. That's on the blast table. It was, at the time when I bought the table, it was what, $4 grand, $5 grand for the Hypertherm, 85 amp. So I can only imagine what they are now, and this after COVID. And gold's stupid high, and everything else is stupid high for circuit boards too. Oh yeah. All right, get back to it.
Yeah, I'm making it happen. Follow me, I'm the captain. Put my foot on the gas and go. Here and ready for action. No one does it like Jackson. If it's true, I ain't bragging, no. I'm lighted up, so watch me now. Yeah, it feels so good to say out loud. I know I'm gonna win, don't need no luck. I got the golden touch. Call me king, see me shining, kiss the ring. Work my weight, got the soul. When I walk, it's paved in gold. Ain't a fool, I'm too bright. Make the rules all the time. See that sun up in the sky? Who you think gave her all that light? Oh, I'm lighted up, so watch me now.
So I said something to Jensen the other night about getting a metal coffee can or something. That way we cut off hot bolts and hot things off the chassis that are small, like bolts, we can put them in.
It's all about man's decision.
Chock full of nuts. What kind of coffee you been drinking?
Got the golden touch. I got the golden touch. Yeah, coming in real clutch. Give me the ball, I run. I want it all because I am the chosen one. 1, 2, 3, yeah, we running the scene. You ain't never seen anybody do it like me. Do it like me, cause you better believe. When you take a hard look, you'll be wanting the place. I got the golden touch. I got the golden touch. I got the golden touch.
Green light, let's get it. 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 I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Hello, I'm Himothy. I got the recipe. I got the flow. I got the remedy. I know they do. I know they envy me. Feet on the floor. What they gon' say now? We came along from last place, bottom to top of the fast pace. Out of this surf, I get touchdown. I take a loss, get it back 8. I'm in the gym putting numbers up. You're never there, you got bad traits. Never excuses or cover ups. Learn from the losses and bad breaks. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Who said I wasn't him? Who said it? All this talk about who's on top and who's not. Miss me with the gossip. Check the score, yeah. See me coming off the screen. Know I gave myself the green light. Catch a shoe from the 3. If I'm not the one, it doesn't seem right. I need like 2, 4, 5, 6 in them rings. I'm talking back to back to back like 23. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Green light, let's get it. I'm the future, I'm in it. Check score, I'm winning. Green light, let's get it. I just win, 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 win. I'm on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah, oh shoot, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission, every enemy listening. Get off my dick, I got bad intentions. Make it right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the ropes. Peace in my town, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanted to smoke. If you know, then you know. Suited up, my whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. Ready for war, I was born with grenades. The trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
All right, there, YouTubers. That'll do it for this episode. Another short one for you. And on the next one, we will. Yeah, I'm getting tongue tied here. We will finish up the tabs there for the wishbone mount, but we've got it all welded up. And that is going to be the basic Bagworks raised gas tank crossmember, and it will come with that stiffener there, and then this will be part of the 3-link, and we'll do a under the bed wishbone from there back to the axle when we get to put it back in. So that will be a kit that we will be listing on the website at some point, so be on the lookout for that. And then past that, all you got to do is cut that cross member there and raise it up. Yeah, like I said, short episode. Got that stiffener plate over there welded in because there was nothing there originally, and got bar end with the mock-up bushings ready to go for the wishbone mount. And got the rear end sitting back there. We gotta get it cleaned up and get it ready to go back underneath the frame. So yep, this was episode 2, and stay tuned for episode 3. We'll catch you guys next time. Keep doing work. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget, on those cell phones, scroll down, hit the hype button. You can do it 3 times. So make sure you hype this video. And if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like the videos and comment. And also, we have not heard from the first place winner on the redraw. So Baja Fish Taco, if you watch these videos, send me an email. Get up with me. You don't want to miss out. If not, we'll end up redrawing for another first place winner. All right. See you next time.